new gadget came in. I just bought it off Amazon. Hopefully I don't have to buy ice for my ice chest anymore. Let's put this thing together. Here's how it looks. Has some wheels with the handle. Charging cord. This one goes to the car. And this one, the outlet that will be going into my EcoFlow. My EcoFlow. It's not putting on. Let's see. There we go. So I plugged in. Let's set this thing up. Let's put through 36. There you go. Compressor's kicking in. And we'll see how long it takes for it to get this water cold. We'll put it in here and we'll come back later and see. Finally got the temperature. I actually turned it down a little bit lower to 35, and then I was able to figure out the eco mode. I had to play with the setting a little bit, but it got cold within about 10 to 15 minutes. It's super cold in here now. The water is beginning to get cold. I just threw this thing in. It's getting cold too, so it's pretty good so far. We'll see how it does at camp.